Kalikot ng batang ito. Sus ko po.
Nawala na si ate. Magluluto na ulang namin. Ano, talong? Talong.
Thank you. Ayoko na dyan. I'll change my position. Again. That little kid is very kulit. Ano English sa makulit? She pulled my lips, my skin. Look, sakit. It hurts. Oo. Ang galing. You are special. Everyone is special. You are so a special one. Their friends, their loved ones, their families. I'd like to meet you. Look. Kinalmot ni Nini. Hi. A very kulit person. I'd like to meet you. Yes, I'd like to meet you too. When are you going to Philippines? We can meet, but just a friends. That's okay, sir. It didn't even ano.
Puking inang naatakan ang mani.
Offend me, you know.
Sabi na naman ni Gianna.
Ma, kumalis nga ako doon.
Aba, hinabol ka eh. Sauli mo na sa kanyang ina.
Ito ba yun?
I'll be there in May. May? Oh, you can be here in May, June. June is my birthday.
Kaya napasok mo ni malilang bahay niya.
Ito ba yun? Dada! Dada!
Yayo daw.
June is my graduation. I'm graduating student.
O Gianna, takloban ang sus. Ha? Takloban mo ang sus.
Hi, Mimi Bear. Thank you po.
May price ka?
Wala po.
Gianna, takloban ang sus. Oo, tayo.
Gutom na.
Titi, dalhin nyo na nga po to sa inyo.
Ayoko niyan, hindi nakakain.
Yan, dadaling ka na daw. Kalikot-likot mo.
Ako ay gutom na.
Kakainin ka na.
Nakakain ka din eh. Wala. Supaw! Ayoko ng supaw.
Thank you, Sir JS. You're one of a kind.
Wala na, ubus.
Sakit.
Dala mo nga dito, kanya ako.
This little girl. Look, oh.
Oh,
It's her. My
Antonita,
daughter
Kiara,
married
ha?
Filipino. Yes.
don't do that.
Filipino.
What do you want?
Everyone wants to marry a Filipina, either a Filipino. Because Filipinos are very hospitable, very kind, very loving persons. Everyone loves every foreigners love how the Filipinos treat them, because Filipinos are very loving persons. My daughter, but she. Yes, of course. She should be happy. She must be happy marrying a Filipino.
Wala ka ng kalaro, umalis na.
Lagyan mo nga dito, Tiyapi.